Help me read it. So, if I so if I now want to see all the 8 at the same time, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 8. But camera 1, loma 1, níwájú. If you double click here, right, you need the camera 2. So if I now want to watch the camera one after the other, I will right click it, then I will pick view 1. So if it is camera 4 I want to now watch, I'll pick 4. If it is camera 8 I want to watch, I'll pick 8. If it is 7 I want to watch, I pick 7. If it is 6 I want to watch, I'll pick 6 outside. If it is 5, 4, so I pick them one after the other. 2. So you see every in the console on menu on the right. So this is now all the cameras checking of it. So assuming now something now happen, I've a playback. You click on here, you now come to search. Now it's left click. Now click search. Left now. Any button symbol, left click on search. So need symbol, need to put in we just install it today. It's only today that is available. So assuming I want to see what happened on camera 2, 1 and 2. I'll just pick 1 and 2. If it's 3 and 5, it can only view 4 cameras per time. So if I don't want to see 1 to 4 now, I can decide to click 1 to 4. But if I click it, I don't become BB by. When I click it, right. So I can now pick 5 to 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is from 0 to 24 hours. So let me say something that happened around 3. I can click with 3 back. That's what shall So I can now play back. I can decide to fast forward. Fast forward. So I can stop. I can play back. If I can correct camera and lower need to continue. So got to say, I'm going to time. I shall lower.